Hi everyone, we are going to look at our search strategy phase 2 with the outline as. At this time we are going to look at the Boolean operators and translation and wildcards. Now let us start by Boolean operators. Boolean operators include words like and, or, not. These are just the logical operators that are used in programming and also as search operations to manipulate and evaluate Boolean values. But as per search strategy, we are going to use Boolean operators to help us refine and optimize our search result, especially in search engines and academic research. The main Boolean operators that we are going to use are an, and it just narrows the search by including all specific terms. And the result contains only the keyword. Take for example when you want to search about mobile money in Uganda, we are going to only find results that mention mobile money and in Uganda. But when we use all, it's going to broaden the research to include any other specific terms, any specific term in terms like maybe if business or enterprises, you may even find results that mention only one of them, may either mention business or may give results of entrepreneurship or an enterprise, or even both can be. Also, we have note is going to exclude certain words from our site. Example like when we have the mobile money transfer not bank, we're going to find the results about mobile money transfer, but it will exclude any result, such result that may mention bank. Let's look at say the example we are seeing here, the teenage mental health and online platform. Now and this one is going to narrow our search within the teenage mental health and online platform only. But when we use all, we are going to either find our results on young use psychological or Facebook only, or we can find them both at once. But now, when it comes to teenager mental health, not some media, here we're going to have only the result basing on what? On teenager mental health. Now, this is the way it helps to refine our searches. The advantage of those bowling. Now let's look at the truncations. Uh, Speak about truncation and wildcards. These are just the search techniques that they are used in search engine to improve our search flexibility and efficiency. Let us dive into them one by one. We have truncation. In truncation, it retrieves words with what? With different endings. Say like according to our search, when we are searching and we have like searching about violence and we put uh, asterisk this sign here or hash, it is going to retrieve information on violence, violent, and violencing, and it gives a broader search result. And when we let's come to the wildcard. when we speak for wildcards, they are just symbols. Wildcards are just symbols that we use them in order to represent unknown character in a search term. This gives room for spelling variations, like we can use this sign asterisk as to represent multiple characters. Give me an example. When we write compute and we put as the asterisk, we are going to be able to find searches on the computer, computing, and computation as applies to quotation mark. This quotation mark, it only represents also this asterisk as the asterisk sign. It implies that there is not a group of unknown characters, but for a quotation mark, just a single unknown character that has not been included, but it is in the search result, it needs to portray an like say we may have women or a woman. Also, we may use like say for in like when we say a shine, it gathers optional characters when we are writing certain words, as we know in British and American styles. We may have variations in spelling, like the spelling for characters. So this is where the shine, the, the sign plays vital role as a wild card. Um, they are essential. All these transcriptions and wildcards are essential for optimizing searches in like our Google Scholars library catalog and also academic journal. So thank you. As now we are going to meet and I shall give you a real action video for all what we have been going through, uh, the theoretical part of our search strategy. We're going to see how we can apply them in our search engines. Majorly, we are going to best dwell on Google Scholars as we meet. Thank you.